Welcome and thank you so much for joining me today. So if you haven't looked at my previous video of proving the sine rule, please do, because that will assist you in understanding it and how it's made up. So I'm going to write down the sine rule that we've already proved together. So it was sine A over A is equal to sine B over B, which is equal to sine C over C. So that is what we've already proved. If you get stuck, I'm just going to label this now based on this formula. So this is angle A, angle B, and angle C. The length of opposite of angle C is side C. The opposite the angle B is side B, and the side that's opposite angle A is side A. There we go. So I've now broken it down and put all my information in. So we are looking at A and B, A and B. So I'm going to just look at those parts of my formula. So I'm just going to fill in all the information that I have. I know angle A, so that is sine 80 degrees. I don't know A, but it's X. I know angle B is 75. And the side B is 7. So now I've got all my information. First thing I'm going to do is try and get X by itself. So I'm just going to simplify that side first, just so it's easier. So sin 75 divided by 7. So if you want to simplify that side, you can. What I'm going to do is this. I'm going to want to move X over to this side. So I'm timesing both sides by X. Remember, times it's dividing and times, it just cancels out. So it becomes sin 80 degrees equals sine 75 over 7 times X. It's timesing X now. I want X by itself, so I divide both sides by sine 75 over 7 or 0.13798. Up to you. So I'm now going sine 80 degrees over sine 75 over 7 equals X. Now that I have that, I'm going to solve it. So sine 80 dividing by sine 75 divided by 7. And that gives me 7.13. So that tells me that X is 7.13 meters. So I have found this side by using the sine rule. Again, make sure that you understand where this rule comes from. I've already proven it in the other video, so please go and check that if you're not understanding where this comes from. Really hope that helps you understand how to apply the formula. We are just using that formula and using our understanding of algebra to find the length.